Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a easy paper airplane in about a minute. Like, it's really easy and it flies really far. Okay, so what you'll need to get is just a piece of paper and fold it just in half like that. Like, fold it like that. So I'm just gonna do that. Get it lined up really good so you don't mess it up. After you have it like that, get this part and like fold it in. I'll show you when I'm done folding this part. And just fold it like that. See this flap thing? Yeah, fold it like that. Do it on both sides. Just like that. I might be a little bit slow at this because I'm trying to make it really good. See, it's like that on both sides. So then you flip it again, like that. Like fold it over like that again. Where the thing is touching that line. Okay, so it should be like that. Do it on both sides. Okay. And do it like one more time. Do it one more time and you'll have your plane done. And it'll fly like really far. Folded it, open it up like that, hold it by that, you're done. All you have to do is throw it. It'll be really good. I'll show you guys. Okay, it'll fly like way over there. There's my dogs. And I didn't really throw it good. I'll take it outside. Okay, so we're outside. And just... it went pretty far. That was a sucky throw, but... oh. Here, I'll do it again. That was still a sucky throw. Yeah, if it does that, you gotta make it better by pointing the edge back up. And it'll make it just soar. Okay, so. See, that was a pretty good throw. And it's a really cool design too, so. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm going to be doing Minecraft videos for you guys. So, yeah, just comment down below, like and subscribe, and bye.